Possession of marijuana in the City of Ann Arbor. Your case will be heard at the 15th District Court. The judge in your case will either be Judge Hines or Judge Easthope. The prosecutor in your case will either be the City of Ann Arbor or the Washington County Prosecutor's Office. What I've done is I've developed the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. It's a book available on Amazon.com. It kind of goes through the determination of who the prosecutor is going to be, who the judge is going to be. It also goes through what your options are. Usually for a possession of marijuana case, if you're a first offender, you don't have a record, there could be a path for having this potentially dismissed and kept off of your record. But that's only the first step. Even if we can get a deal where the case will be dismissed, that doesn't happen right away. It's the same thing as being admitted into a school. Okay, you're there. Well, you need to graduate. Are you going to have 24 months probation, or you can have 6 months probation? Ultimately, you need to keep this off of your record and get to that final point. So what I do along with obtaining this outcome for my clients, the possibility, is we also shorten that window, close that window, take off requirements, create our own outcome. The way we do that is we're proactive from day one. We're doing things before the judge or prosecutor asks us to do them. We're demonstrating that this was an isolated moment in time. You're not going to do it again in the future, and this is not something that should give you a criminal record. It's unfair to be judged and to be given a criminal record based upon one isolated moment in time, and that's what they want to do here. We need to prevent that. Having a drug conviction on your record can jeopardize your driver's license for up to 6 months, no driving. It can also mean loss of the opportunity to receive loans, especially student loans. So having this on your record can be a complete disaster. So what we do from day one, my clients and I, is we start at the information gathering stage. We learn everything about your case, what the prosecutor has, what the judge has. As a former prosecutor, what I do is I look at the strengths and weaknesses of that evidence. Is this a case that should go to trial? Is this a case with constitutional violations? If it's not one of those type of cases, well, how can we get this resolved in a way where it's dismissed and or reduced? And again, that's only the starting point. We need to close that window, close that gap, take off requirements in order for you to achieve that result. So what I do is all my clients from day one, give them the tools in order to lead to this outcome. Clients contact me and they say, well, what can I do? Most clients sit back and hope things work out. My clients don't do that. I'm very selective in the clients that I take on under my program. It's a limited amount of clients, but I encourage you to contact me. Tell me about your case, tell me about your life, tell me about your goals. If we talk and I determine that you're a good candidate for my program, I'd be willing to help you, willing to keep this off of your record, put you in the right direction going forward, put this behind you, and overall have a great outcome together.